I'm excited to get my hands on the brand new Icon. It's the 1/4" drive G2, which is a 2 5/8 stubby ratchet. This is brand new release to the stores, and the store should be getting them in within this next about week and a half or so. Since Harbor Freight did announce it on their page that the new G2s are coming out, and it's going to be 5 of them total that are coming out, and this is just one of them, which my store had this one. They did not have the other ones yet. So be sure to check your store and check online on the website, and then for your store location, and then you can type in the item number and see if they happen to have them in stock, which my store did not have them on the shelf yet. It was in the back room, so I did have to ask and see if they can check for them. And just to give you the part number here, it is item number 70449. And this is a 72 tooth ratchet with a 5-degree arc swing. So I figured I'd start off showing it in the package, and I'll go ahead and get it opened up now. So meet the new Stubby, the 2 5/8 Stubby. This is what it looks like in the hand. It is nice and compact. Now I did hear from other channels and viewers that you'd be able to switch this out with like a 3/8 anvil from Snap-on, but I imagine they're going to be coming out with a 3/8 version of this come summertime, because they are slated to release 15 more G2 ratchets by summertime. So maybe hold off on doing that conversion unless you absolutely have a need for it now. It does have a little bit of heft to it considering its size, and so far I can tell it feels nice, just like the other G2s are. I'll let you listen to it with the microphone. The on-off switch is nice and smooth. I do have my Icon Meme 2.0 tool kit that I wanted to compare it to that 1/4" ratchet as well. Obviously this is not a G2 one, which I do like this one. This one's actually louder. I'll put the microphone back down so you can compare. So this one definitely feels a lot smoother and obviously a lot quieter. Now I do have another G2 ratchet, the flex head one. And this one's a little bit louder as well. So definitely a lot quieter even compared to the other G2. And obviously the Meme 2.0 one. This one feels rougher compared to the G2. Yeah, I can imagine scenarios that this would be actually really handy to have in the nice tight spots. To be able to get a 1/4" drive in there is a nice, somewhat thin profile. I'm going to test it out on a bolt. I got a 7/16 on here. To me, it feels like a good ratchet, just like the other G2s are. One thing I would like to have seen on this one is if they, with this flared edge, if they could have put in like a 1/4" adapter in there. That way you could turn it into like a longer wrench if needed. And it would be great to have that versatility in it. You know, something like an extension with a 1/4". They probably would have had enough room to do something like that. So you could turn it into like a longer ratchet if needed, in case of an emergency. Obviously, if you didn't have access to another ratchet, obviously. But this might make actually a great addition to the Meme 2.0 toolkit, which, by the way, I am going to be doing a giveaway on 5 of these kits when the channel reaches 50,000 subscribers. So if you're not already subscribed, be sure that you are for these tool deal videos as well as tool reviews and DIY projects. And as soon as the channel reaches that 50,000 mark, I'll be doing the giveaway of 5 of these kits. That's $80 value right there. Yeah, I think it's a pretty cool little ratchet. I can imagine different scenarios that I'd actually be using this in. I wonder if this is going to be like another meme tool for people, or maybe a unicorn that'll be hard for Harbor Freight to keep in stock. Let me know if you are going to be picking one up or not, and if you would actually use it or if it'll collect dust. I definitely like the smoothness of it compared to the other ratchets, and it being quieter. It just feels awesome compared to the others, even the other G2. And this G2 also has a 72 tooth ratchet in there, so it's gonna be the same. So if you do plan on picking up one, are you going to be getting two of them and then going ahead and do the conversion of the 3/8 snap-on head to it, anvil? I've heard that it's easy to do. Obviously, it comes at a fraction of the price compared to the snap-on version that's over $100 for this very similar ratchet. And obviously, Icon brand, lifetime warranty. You can easily go into the store to exchange it, obviously, as long as they have it in stock. So, but I think it's a pretty cool addition to their G2 lineup. I'm looking forward to checking out the other ones that they're going to be releasing in the summertime, as well as these other ones that they're coming out with. And we could take a look at what it's like with the having like an extension on it. Yeah, I could see this would definitely come in handy. Just have something nice and compact, and can almost use it as a T-handle kind of scenario with an extension. Longer extension on. Yeah, I like it. Now all they need to do is make a spot for this ratchet in the Meme 2.0 toolkit. That would be awesome. Or maybe switch out this ratchet. The one thing I do like about the Meme 2.0 tool kit is with this ratchet, it does have the receiving end for the 1/4 inch drive to it. So you can put an extension to be able to put in the different 1/4 inch bits, or you can put an actual 1/4 inch bit on the end of it, which definitely comes in handy. I love this kit, so I definitely recommend picking one up, which obviously was the time to get one when they had the parking lot sale recently at 35% off. It is a handy kit to have with the different bits to it and metric and SAE sockets. And inside the case, they do even have it marked of the different sizes, what belongs where. It's a great kit. If you're going to pick up a G2, let me know down in the comments below. Alright, if you enjoyed this video, I would appreciate it if you do give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more of these tool review videos, as well as DIY tips, tricks, and tool deal videos. I really appreciate you watching, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks so much.